Hi, I'm Kayla, and I'm going to be reading If You Give a Cat a Cupcake, written by Laura Noroth, illustrated by Felicia Bod. If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Do you see all those sprinkles? Cleaning up will make him hot, so you'll give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. See him? He'll want to go in the water and build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for seashells. He'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it'll be too heavy. He'll decide he needs to work out at the gym. He's got to get those strong muscles. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then, he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. Hi-ya! After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When he gets there, he'll see the rocks. He'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. Do you see how high he is? Do you see the boats over here? He'll be the captain, and you'll have to row. Oh no. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. Ooh. He'll want you to go for a ride too. You'll choose the horse with the purple mane, and he'll get on the whale. The whale will remind him of the science museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find what do you think he'll find? Dinosaurs! Look at all those dinosaurs! So many dinosaurs! Hall of Apes! Look at all those apes! When the museum closes, you'll be the last ones to leave because he loves the museum so much. Look, he's trying to be an ape over here. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all his things. Remember, it was too heavy for him. Then he'll want to race you. Uh-oh. And chances are... Oh, I think I missed a page. Hold on. Pages are a little sticky. Sorry. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are if you give him some sprinkles, he'll want a cupcake to go with it. Is that silly? Well, that's the end of the story. Thank you for joining me for another story. Hope to see you soon.